Hi guys, this is Nancy and welcome to Designer Savvy. We are going to do a project today where we are going to take that gold trim that you see there on the mirror, and as you can see we don't have anything gold in the bathroom. Everything is silver. So we're going to clean it good, and here's the supplies that we will need for this project. First, we need a sponge paintbrush. We need some blue painter's tape. We have our Anita's all-purpose metallic paint in silver. Got that at Hobby Lobby. And then we have some Windex wipes. And I think they've dried out a little bit. We're just going to add some water to them and they will still work this way. I'm going to clean the top of this off first with the Windex. Let it dry. Then I'm going to apply the painter's tape around there because I don't want to get any silver on the vanity. And then we're going to paint it and I'll show you the finished product. So here, as you can see, I've applied the tape right above the gold, so we don't want to get any paint on the mirror, and then right below the gold trim because we don't want to get any paint on the vanity. Here's a close-up of the trim after I had given it 4 coats of paint. I did need to allow 30 minutes minimum drying time between each coat. I did 3 bathrooms, so it did take the big part of a day, but I was able to do other things and keep busy while the in-between coats were drying. I'm so pleased with the way this turned out. Here's everything back on the vanity top in the master bathroom. This is so easy to do. The supplies needed cost less than $15. This is an easy afternoon project. I strongly encourage you to give it a go. You will not be disappointed. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please ring the bell. I'll alert you as to when I post new videos. They come out every Wednesday morning. And if you are an existing subscriber, welcome back. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.